If you need to turn off your iPhone without using the touchscreen, maybe the touchscreen is frozen or broken, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to power it off. But I would highly recommend sticking around for that second option because it is the foolproof method that works on any iPhone. Now, one option you have is to use Siri. So you could say, "Hey Siri, turn off my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this.
And now I'm not going to do it, but all you need to do at that point is say yes, and Siri will turn that iPhone off. But a lot of people don't have Siri turned on or Hey Siri turned on. So in that case, we're going to use the physical buttons. So you're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, press and hold the side button until you see your iPhone screen go black. And then you're going to also press the side button and volume up. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, press and hold that side button. Now keep holding it even though it says slide to power off, and when your iPhone screen goes black, we'll also press the volume up. By doing so, you are not doing the forced restart. Normally, if you just press the power button, you would do a forced restart, but by tapping the volume up and power button at the same time here, you'll see an Apple logo, but just for a few seconds, and then it will go black. And then you can lift your fingers off. You've successfully turned off your iPhone just using the buttons. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.